Alright, I wanted to show you guys how I make my Keto Chow using an immersion blender to make a big batch. So first I take my cream, put it in my pitcher. This pitcher holds about 3 servings of Keto Chow. So
let me push. Dad, can you help me push this chair
yeah.
so I could watch you?
Sure, where do you want to sit?
Over there.
You sure you want to sit right here? There you go. Alright, so first I got my cream. I got to open up my next cream. That one ran out. And let's see. Oops, I'm looking at the wrong scale. Get this scale with my ounces because I roll like that. And there we go. That's about what I want. So now I'm done with the cream. I'll lick the little cap. I'm going to be making the chocolate toffee. It's pretty good. It's a little sweet for my tastes, but it's still good.
It's still a little good.
Oh yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to put in a scoop of powder.
Powder?
And
I don't know powder.
This is the powder, see?
Oh.
Anyway, I like to put in 1 scoop of powder and then some water. And basically switch between putting in powder and water, powder, water. Just to help it mix, essentially.
I know powder, water, powder, water, powder, water. Powder, water.
There. Now I got it kind of wet. Put another scoop. That's right, powder.
And water.
Yeah.
Oops, you got a little spill.
Yeah, I did.
That's okay. It'll clean it up.
That's right.
It's okay if we make a mess. As always, we clean it up.
Yep, that's right. We'll just have to clean it up. Anyway, now I got my 3rd scoop, so now I'll fill this thing up most of the way with water. I leave a little bit of room though, because when I'm using the blender kind of makes it rise a bit. Let's say.
Ooh, it's getting full.
Yeah, show you guys what's going on.
It's getting full of ingredients.
Yeah, see, I still got this big clump. Anyway, I'll push that down with my blender, and you can see it's still kind of layered. Anyway, now I'll get my blender out. Show you guys that. Get this camera set up. Why is it tipping? It wasn't tipping before. I don't know. Anyway. Alright. Now I'll get the blender. I got this KitchenAid blender. Pretty good.
I'm going to cover my ears.
Yeah. It's not that loud though. But you might want to cover your ears too.
Because I like it really loud.
Yeah.
In my ears.
I blend it up on high speed. See, it's got 2 speeds. A little dial here. It's not very loud. But it's actually a little bit louder when it's in there. Anyway, I'm going to I'll show you guys. Oh, we got a hungry baby behind us.
It's only just the little blender.
Yeah.
Only just right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna kind of see what I'm working with. You can see there's still a lot of powder sitting on top, but that's fine. Anyway, I got it right in there, and then I kind of pulse it. can see on the side there's still some stuff. Oops. Yeah, if you raise the blender up too high, it's kind of messy. Hang on, I gotta turn this pitcher. See all that stuck on the side? I'm gonna try to get that. That should be good.
Good, good, good. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it.